Tatiana Tama, celebrity stylist from Stagio Beauty Studio. Today I'm gonna show you a few hairstyles on wigs. And for that I have a beautiful wig from René of Paris from Orchid Collection. And it's beautiful silver mist color. It has darker roots and it has silver color on the length. So I'm gonna show you how to do a few styles and be so fun and be so pretty, and also you can use those hairstyles on your own hair. So stay tuned and don't switch, whatever. So stay tuned. Okay, let's do it.
Hairstyle number 1. This is the Agey Braid. You're just gonna separate a thin section of hair and divide the hair into 3 sections and begin a regular 3-strand braid. Now you want to make sure to stretch the braid out to make it look bigger and have a more volume. Secure the braid with a small hair tie and place the braid behind your ear. Make sure to put the other hair on your side so that it wouldn't be in the way. Grab a hairpin and secure the braid in place. Lastly, adjust the braid in place the way you like it and brush out the hair. That's it! Super easy, super cute hairstyle for short and medium length hair. Now we're moving on to hairstyle number 2. This is a braided half ponytail. We're just gonna take a small section from the very front and divide it into 3, and then begin the French braid. You're gonna braid all the way to the back. As you'll braid it more, you needed added strands of the hair from both sides and into the braid. When you reach the back, you're gonna tie it off with the hair tie. And to make it tail a little bit more poofy, you're just gonna put crisscrossing bobby pins behind the hair tie. This is another simple yet cute hairstyle that you can do every day when you're running late for work or just for fun. For the third hairstyle, you need to section off the top of part of your hair, leaving out the strands of hair that are close to the face. Then you're just gonna secure it with elastic band and make sure to not to tie your hair too tight. Now you part the hair in 2, creating a loop and putting the ponytail through the loop like this. Pull on some of the hair strand on the top to loosen up hairstyle so that it would have more volume. Another hairstyle is done. This is one of my favorites as it takes about a minute to do it and it looks super cute and elegant. Last but not least is hairstyle number 4. Start off by grabbing the middle section of the hair and divide it into 3 strands and make a braid. Now secure it with an elastic and stretch out the braid to make it look bigger. Pull the braid through a loop in your hair and twirl it around to make a bun. Secure the ends with a bobby pin and repeat the same steps on other side. That's it! Easy and cute braided half up, half down space buns. This one is perfect for day out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.